I'm really ashamed of this washer. Look right there in the middle. Okay? Do you see the clothes being pulled down when they're washed? Yeah. I don't see it happening either. Okay, there's 3 pairs of blue jeans. My husband wears a 38-30. Give you some kind of knowledge of how big the jeans are. There's 3 pairs of jeans, 1 long sleeve shirt, 1 t-shirt, and 1 bandana. Trying to see if it's pulling anything down. Now, I went ahead and put this on large fill, warm water, permanent press. It just seems to have more action on permanent press. But I don't really see these clothes being turned, going down into the bottom. These should not just swish on top. They should be pulled and be going down to the bottom and up to the top. Down to the bottom, up to the top. So, this is really ridiculous. Here's the model number. Speed Queen. And about $900. They're pure junk. Here's my settings. What it looks like. I get it on warm wash. Pretty warm water too, because my hot water tank's turned up. I set it on large instead of autofill this time. And I have it on start, extra rinse, permanent press, hand wash is a joke. I should throw it in there. No, I get my clothes cleaner with a scrub board. See? Clothes aren't being pulled under. They're not being pulled down and rotated. I guess this would be my towel machine or something. It throws something in there pretty well clean. I put a whole cup of soap detergent in there of this. I think I'm going to switch to Tide for this machine. See if that won't. I know it ain't going to help, but I'm giving this washer every chance in the world. Nothing's working. These clothes got spray treated too, because he gets his jeans dirty. These weren't real dirty. But I don't wash his clothes with mine. I wash mine by themselves. I know it gets so dirty, so I'll throw I don't put my good clothes in there, but I'll put it, like maybe my night clothes in there. And I wouldn't put my underwear in there, because I would take them next door, put them in my front loader. I have to take his underwear next door too, get them clean, and his socks. I wash the socks separate of his underwear, because I just don't wash real dirty things, you know, like socks. I wouldn't throw it in with like tea towels or something. This reminds me of a washer I had one time. It was one of those washers that washers on one side. It was like $100 washer. You wash on one side, you take it out and you spin, then you fill the side and you rinse. But I used to go light to dark. I'd use the same water, wash everything up first, throw it in the basket, and then I'd spin it out, and then I'd add maybe a little bit more soap and more water and do another load, one a little bit darker load, but never nothing really dirty. And then I'd go back and I'd rinse them twice. Make sure I got the soap out. And it honestly did better than this machine. $100 washer. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about. The little portable washers. You can use them for apartment. In my apartment, so I wouldn't have to go to the washateria. But, you know, every now and then, I would go for my bedding and stuff. Like every other week I went. And I change my sheets once a week now. But back then, you know, we always took a bath before we went to bed, so. And I always changed my pillow slip once a week. Just not happy with this at all. This is ridiculous. 3 jeans, long sleeve shirt, t-shirt, and a red handkerchief. Not very happy. I don't need it to be gentle on dirty clothes. No, agitator means to agitate. See, it doesn't even agitate hard enough to keep your suds going, because if it was agitating really good, I would have more bubbles. It's like beating egg whites. The harder you beat them with a mixer, the fluffier they get. Well, that really didn't make sense. Y'all, it's late at night. I'm going to see what time it is. Let me see what time it is. Oh, God, let's see what time it is. It is, I don't know if y'all can see it. It's in 12:30. Almost 12:30. Oh, my word. No wonder I'm tired. I ain't even got these clothes folded. And it's draining. But we're not watching this anymore. Okay, y'all. I gotta fold clothes and go to bed. I got my bed clothes on. Now, y'all, I wanted to show y'all that these come out of the dryer. And honestly, they don't look too bad. I mean, these are going to have shadows on them because they are pretty old, washed pretty good, but they look pretty clean to me. I'm surprised. You know, now Dustin Burgess, he suggested I start using Persil, Persil. I am going to buy some of that. I'm not showing those because I never sprayed those or anything, and didn't expect them to. They're newer jeans, so I didn't expect them to be dirty. But I'm surprised the spots you see, it's just wear spots. It's not actually dirt. So I did pre-treat though. And they're not too bad. These are work jeans. They're not too bad. Okay. I almost forgot to show them after I washed. I hadn't hung up the shirt yet. It's, it looks okay. Anyway, just wanted to show you how they look when they come out. It's, this is not exactly dirt or nothing. It's wear. It's wear. These jeans are pretty old. Okay. Bye, y'all. Have a nice day. This was the Speed Queen. AWN63RSN115TW101. There you go. Just don't like this agitator. They need to switch to the paddles. That's all I got to say. Okay, y'all. Bye.